everyone. In this video, we'll look at how to track the location of a device using the MobiHeal MDM. This is useful when you need to know where your devices are at any given time. To get this done, we are going to follow two simple steps. The first step is accessing the MobiHeal MDM. To log into your MobiHeal account, start by clicking on the email field. Go ahead and type in your registered email address. Next, select the password field below. Enter your account password here. Tick the I'm not a robot checkbox to confirm you're a real user. A reCAPTCHA challenge will pop up. Just select all the images that match the prompt, in this case the ones with motorcycles. Once you've made your selections, hit the verify button. And there we go, the reCAPTCHA is successfully verified. Click the login button to proceed. 4. You'll be taken straight to the MobiHeal Enterprise dashboard where you can begin managing your devices. Let's move to the next step and enable location tracking for the device. This will allow us to monitor the device's real-time location from the MDM. To enable location tracking, head over to the Manage Devices section from the left-hand menu. Pick the device you want to track by ticking its checkbox in the list. Go ahead and click the Controls button to reveal the available actions. From the drop-down that appears, choose Enable Location Tracking. And just like that, you'll see a success message pop up, and the location tracking status for this device flips from disabled to enabled. Location tracking is now enabled for the device. Next, let's head over to the Location Tracking section to view the device's location on the map. Now that tracking is enabled, let's actually view the device on the map. Head over to the fencing menu on the left side. Sider. From the submenu, pick the location tracking option. Once the page loads, open the select serial number dropdown to choose which device you want to track. Go ahead and pick the device you enabled tracking for from the list. You can also use the start date time and end date time filters to view location history for a specific time range. Hit the apply button to pull up the location data. The map will zoom right in to show you the device's recent location path. You can hover over any of the points on the map to get more details about that specific location. And that's it, you've successfully tracked your device's location. As the device moves, new location entries will automatically appear in the location tracking section, allowing you to monitor the device's movement in real time. 10. And there's the device location showing right on the map. You've got location tracking fully set up on the MobiHeal MDM.